It's a metro bus. We are going to India Gate. Right. I'm getting so much hungry, man. What you say?
Tonight we will be trying in Chandni Chowk, trying some bites of non-veg food, right? It's very cold here and we can feel the chill.
Good, man.
So that is India Gate. We need to cross the road.
If you observe, the traffic is so much heavy.
That is India Gate.
We are exactly in front of India Gate only.
Since the Indian Gate is completely occupied by the military personnel, then and it's covered everywhere the barricade, so we are unable to enter inside.
And this is the pan, famous one. Fire pan. बोलिए fire pan.
Fire pan. कितना है fire pan?
Fire pan.
हाँ.
30 का भैया 30 का. 30 रुपए. So if you want to try means now my friend. हाँ phone पे Google पे Paytm सब कुछ.
Okay.
Now my friend is trying fire pan.
Let's see the taste of fire pan in Delhi.
ये चमन बहार है. चमन बहार, रोज मेटल गुलकंद. और हाँ दिस इज ब्लूबेरी फ्लेवर.
थोड़ा कम लगा दो.
आप कम लगाएंगे. ब्लूबेरी फ्लेवर.
देखो तो क्या
ये है माउथ फ्रेशनर.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा डालो.
हाँ
थोड़ा ज़्यादा डालो.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा.
अच्छा है.
घर से लाता हूँ. चेरी.
हाँ चेरी.
ये खस वाला फ्लेवर है.
तो वोटा ले पर. अच्छा.
हाँ खस.
It's a flavor. Okay.
This is menthol.
Menthol. Okay.
Menthol. This is Pan Rasno.
Okay man.
This is sweet लच्छा.
Sweet.
केसर लच्छा.
केसर. Okay.
केसर लच्छा.
So many ingredients are added.
रेडी हो गया है.
And this is sugar.
सर इधर आइए.
ठीक है.
हाँ. टिश्यू. This is mint powder.
Yeah, mint powder. I don't know how it gonna be. See the fire. Oh, I'm eating the fire.
Fully relaxed.
हाँ.
Open the mouth. 1, 2, 3. बहुत टॉप का वीडियो बना है आपका. देखे ना फोन में आप. बहुत बढ़िया वीडियो बना है.
How is the taste? Excellent. बहुत अच्छा है.
So now I am trying.
This is Qureshi kebabs, very famous here. It's exactly in front of Meena Bazaar.
First we will try mutton kebab and mutton sheikh kebab and chicken kebab. Hey, mutton kebab roll देना. Mutton kebab roll.
You see, there is a heavy rush here. It's every time it is heavy rush and there is a full crowd here.
So we are trying the mutton sheikh kebab and chicken sheikh kebab and rumal roti. So we are eagerly waiting. Seeing also, we are getting very. Working from past 10 years or 12 years in the same restaurant, only Qureshi restaurant.
आपका नाम? मोहम्मद वसीम कुरैशी।
मोहम्मद वसीम कुरैशी।
कुरैशी सेम जी, मीट का काम है अपना। अच्छा।
Now we are tasting chicken roll.
ग्रीन चिली।
It's so yummy. It's very hot looking. And the meat is so tender and soft. And this is chicken tikka. It's so special. Now we are trying
gravy, creamy
and creamy.
buttery.
And if you see that the chicken tikka is loaded with full of ghee and full decorated and it's creamy. Now we are tasting it. भाई एक रुमाल रोटी देना.
So now we are trying this chicken kebab with romali roti.
Chicken tikka with rumal roti.
Chicken tikka with romali roti.
Full of butter.
Full of flatbread butter and decorated with capsicum, onion and everything. It's mouth licking. Ragra.
8 कबाब 4 रोटी एक पैक करके दे दो मियां। 8 कबाब 4 रोटी और एक 4 कबाब के अभी
And my rating for chicken tikka is 10 after 10. Must try. I recommended to try this chicken tikka and chicken roll from Qureshi Kebab.
Yeah, really.
And I'm licking my fingers also. It's so tasty. Must try it.
प्लेट लाइक
दो रोटी उठा
इतना मेरे दिएगा ना तुम।
So if you observe, so now we are ordering the second plate. Finally we are done with my chicken tikka. So I am recommending you to eat chicken tikka and chicken roll in Qureshi Kebab.
Trying this mango flavor in Kulpan because we liked it very much when we had it yesterday.
Still we are having ice cream. The Delhi climate is 11 degrees Celsius.
That's the love we have for this mango flavor,
Mango
especially in
flavor.
Kulpan.
मोहब्बत प्यार मजा कहता आई लव यू आई लव यू आई लव यू टू आलू चेक करो मस्ट ट्राई दिस वाटरमेलन जूस देयर द वाटरमेलन चेक मोहब्बत प्यार मजा है इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल आई लाइक सुपर
बस एक बस
भैया ये डाल के बताऊंगा वाटरमेलन तरबूज एंड मोहब्बत एंड प्यार मोहब्बत थोड़ा प्यार और मिल्क मजा आएगा मजा कैसा लगा lovely sauce
It's very cool, very good to taste.
After a heavy meal, we should try this watermelon juice. Quite refreshing. बच्चे भी के जवान हो गए 2 रुपये का बच्चे भी के जवान हो गए पटना के बड़े इनका पर्सनैलिटी 2 रुपये का बिल का दबा 40 नो 20
He has been running this. This one is 20 years.
अब आओ I'm thinking that it's a 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Now it's getting 11:49 p.m. We met our Mohammad Rafi. We are going to our room.
Also, this is the same auto in which we have came yesterday night.